my name is Megan, and today I am joined with my lab partner and boyfriend Michael to chat a little bit about the lab that I just finished last week.
So for the past few weeks we've been designing an experiment to create hydrogen peroxide from raw materials of sodium hydroxide, water and oxygen.
One super cool part about this whole lab course is that there's a big focus on designing it ourselves, basically. So at the beginning of the term we're just given this apparatus, which is an electrochemical cell that it uses electricity to help make the reaction run, and we're trying to make hydrogen peroxide with it. And then basically after that everything's up to us. So if we want to manipulate the temperature, the pressure, or the flow rates, and kind of how we want to do our data collection. And then we have 4 6-hour-long lab periods to actually finish and complete all of our experiments, which is a lot of time. Luckily, everyone in our group is a good friend, so it was fun to be able to hang out with our friends for that long, and got a boyfriend out of it. Basically, our apparatus, we fed in the NaOH and some oxygen, and then it reacts, and then after the reactor, Michael collected the samples and then would bring them over to me and the rest of the titration team. We would use potassium permanganate, which is very pretty and purple, to titrate into our samples to determine basically how much hydrogen peroxide is in it by the volume of potassium permanganate needed before it changed color. Unfortunately, our color change was first of all very subtle, and second of all quite ugly and yellow/brown. And then we made sure that we recorded all of our data because, as they say in Mythbusters,
the only difference between screwing around and science is writing it down.
Also, labels. I am label queen. I love a good label. Outside of the lab period, would calculate the actual concentration and analyze all the data, put together some graphs to analyze our results, and then write a big old report about it. It was really fun to be able to do a last lab of university, one that's very chemistry based. What was your favorite part?
My favorite part was spending 24 hours with my best friends doing chemistry.
Aww. Well, thank you so much for watching. Hope you learned a little bit about our lab. Thanks, bye.